Get ready, Apple fans. In September 2024, Apple is set to unveil its latest lineup of iPhones, including the much-anticipated iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. These iPhones, the Pro models, are the premium options in Apple's flagship range. But that's not all. Apple is also cooking up new A-series chips for the iPhone 16 Pro models, promising better efficiency and performance. Plus, features like the Action button, previously exclusive to certain models, are rumored to be making their way to all iPhone 16 variants. So let's have a look at some amazing features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Sit back and let's have a tech walk. Exciting news is on the horizon for iPhone enthusiasts, as reports from various sources suggest that the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature larger displays. According to these sources, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to flaunt a more expansive 6.85-inch display, rounded up to 6.9 inches. With this increase in display size comes a corresponding adjustment in the dimensions of the iPhone's body. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is projected to be taller and wider compared to their predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro model. This shift towards larger displays reflects Apple's ongoing efforts to enhance the user experience by providing more screen real estate for immersive content consumption and productivity. According to these rumors, Apple may introduce striking new hues, including space black and rose titanium, to add a touch of sophistication to its flagship line. The rose variant is described as a luxurious gold shade, while space black is poised to make a bold statement, potentially replacing the traditional black titanium option. This improvement aims to deliver a glossier appearance, setting it apart from the brushed aluminum finish we've seen in previous iPhone models. The glossy finish has the potential to closely resemble the premium stainless steel finishes used by Apple in previous iterations, adding a touch of elegance to the device's aesthetic. Rumors are buzzing with excitement over the innovative features and advancements expected to debut with Apple's latest flagship devices. Among the most intriguing developments is the adoption of state-of-the-art micro-lens OLED display technology set to redefine the standards of visual excellence on mobile screens. This cutting-edge display technology promises not only improved power brightness, but also reduced power consumption, hinting at the possibility of enhanced battery life for users. Apple is also rumored to be incorporating border reduction structure, or BRS technology, into iPhone 16 Pro models, setting the stage for a design revolution. By leveraging BRS technology, Apple aims to achieve slimmer bezel sizes, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio, and creating a more captivating visual experience. With promises of enhanced display quality, improved battery life, and a refined design aesthetic, the iPhone 16 models are poised to set a new standard for excellence in the world of smartphones. Get ready for an exciting new addition to the iPhone lineup with the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro models. While the power, volume, and action buttons are expected to remain unchanged from the iPhone 15 Pro models, Apple has some intriguing plans in store with the introduction of the new Capture button. Positioned alongside the familiar power button on the same side of the device, the Capture button is set to revolutionize the way users interact with their iPhones. Located in a space previously occupied by the 5G wave antenna in the United States, this innovative button promises to enhance the photography and videography experience on the iPhone 16 Pro models. Whether capturing stunning photos or shooting captivating videos, the Capture button promises to be a versatile and indispensable tool for iPhone users across the board. Powered by the revolutionary A18 chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is poised to redefine what's possible in mobile computing. But what exactly makes the A18 chip so special? Built on the state-of-the-art Art3 nanometer node, this cutting-edge processor promises to deliver unparalleled performance and responsiveness, setting a new standard for flagship smartphones. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed to handle it all with ease, thanks to the sheer power of the A18 chip. And that's not all. Apple is also rumored to be incorporating innovative thermal management technologies into iPhone 16 Pro's lineup. With the introduction of a graphene thermal system and a metal battery casing, overheating could become a thing of the past. ensuring that your device stays cool and responsive even during the most demanding tasks. iPhone 16 Pro Max set to redefine the art of capturing moments on the go. This cutting-edge device is poised to revolutionize the way we see and the way we share the world around us. But what sets this powerhouse device apart from its predecessors? It all starts with the groundbreaking 48-megapixel main camera sensor, a technological marvel that promises to deliver stunning clarity and detail with every shot. By harnessing advanced features like a stacked design and digital gain control, this innovative sensor is designed to elevate your photography game to new heights, ensuring that every image is a masterpiece in its own right. And that's just the beginning. As rumors swirl around the iPhone 16 Pro Max's array of cutting-edge features, one thing is clear: this device is poised to push the boundaries of what's possible in mobile photography. From enhanced low-light performance to unparalleled zoom capabilities, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a game-changer for shutterbugs and enthusiasts alike. The iPhone 16 Pro Max might just introduce a game-changing feature: a super telephoto periscope camera. This revolutionary addition would mean an unprecedented leap in optical zoom capabilities, taking your photography skills to new heights. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is a super telephoto periscope camera. Well, think of it as a powerful telescope built right into your iPhone. With a focal length of over 300 millimeters, this cutting-edge camera technology could offer jaw-dropping zoom capabilities like never before. So, are you ready to zoom into the future with the iPhone 6 Pro Max? These sleek smartphones are rumored to feature Qualcomm Snapdragon X75 modem, bringing faster and more efficient 5G connectivity to the palm of your hand. With the X75 modem on board, you can expect lightning-fast downloads and smoother streaming experiences, thanks to improved carrier aggregation with optimized 5G transceiver technology. Plus, Qualcomm's 5G Advanced Standard means enhanced AI and machine learning capabilities, taking your 5G experience to the next level. Imagine seamlessly streaming your favorite shows, downloading large files in a flash, and staying connected with friends and family no matter where you are. And the iPhone 16 Pro models potentially boasting 5G advanced connectivity. You can stay ahead of the curve in a world of mobile technology. Get ready for a storage revolution with the iPhone 16 Pro models. You might soon have the option to choose between 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or even a whopping 1 terabyte of storage space. However, there's a catch. The 1 terabyte version might have a slightly lower read and write speed to keep costs down. Apple is thinking about the using of a type of memory called quad-level cell NAND, which could pack more data into the same space. But hold on, there's a wild rumor swirling around too. Some sources are saying that the iPhone 16 Pro might even offer a massive 2 terabytes of storage. But hey, let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Nothing's confirmed just yet. According to Apple expert Ming-Chi Kuo, the iPhone 16 Pro models might feature the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, promising speeds up to a whopping 40 gigabytes per second. That's like zooming through cyberspace in a rocket ship. But wait, there's more. Wi-Fi 7 can use super wide channels and fancy 4K technology to make your internet even faster, up to 2.4 times speedier than the current Wi-Fi 6. So get ready to say goodbye to loading screens and hello to seamless streaming and gaming on your iPhone 16 Pro. According to recent rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro models will use stacked battery technology, which can result in higher capacity and a longer lifespan. Stacked batteries are common in electric vehicles and medical devices, but are an emerging smartphone technology. The stacked battery could come alongside faster 40W wired charging and 20W MagSafe charging. Rumors suggest that Apple is cooking up some exciting new features powered by fancy large language models. While many of these new tricks will be available on all iPhones, the real cutting-edge stuff might be reserved for the iPhone 16 models. Leaked details spill the beans on iOS 18's revamped AI, promising better chats with Siri and messages, auto-made Apple Music playlists, and even AI help with creating content and productivity apps. But here's the kicker. The juiciest AI features could be exclusive to the iPhone 16. And that's not all. Brace yourself for an upgraded microphone in the iPhone 16 models. It's rumored to be more water resistant with a superior signal-to-noise ratio that'll seriously amp up your Siri chats. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, the iPhone continues to push boundaries, redefine possibilities, and captivate users worldwide. As we eagerly await the arrival of the next iPhone generation, what features are you most excited about and why? Comment your thoughts below. Till then, happy watching.